us to shift our focus to the other big story. And viewers, in what should hopefully close the book on controversy that was sparked by a suggestion to review the presence of the words socialist and secular in the preamble to the Indian Constitution, the Union government has told the Parliament that there is no current plan or intention to reconsider or remove the words inserted during the emergency period. Now, in a written reply, Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal said that the government has not formally initiated any legal or constitutional process to remove the two words from the preamble of the Constitution.
Arjun Meghwal ji has reiterated what Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has earlier stated, that there can be no change in the Indian Constitution, and the BJP and the Government of India stands by the Constitution. The words secular and socialism will stay on in the Constitution, and it has been very clearly mentioned by the government also that there is no policy or there is no thought of changing any part of the Constitution, especially the preamble.
So the political debate was sparked off by RSS General Secretary Dattatreya Hosbole's call for a national debate on whether the terms secular and socialist define India's foundational values and whether these words should remain in the preamble.
भारत के संविधान के प्रस्तावना में, प्रियम्बल में दो शब्द जुड़े गए हैं। राय साहब, आप इस विषय के बारे में कभी बोलेंगे या लिखे तो मुझे मालूम नहीं है, देखता हूं। दो शब्द जुड़े हैं। हम लोगों को मालूम है सेक्युलरिज्म और सोशलिज्म के, वो प्रस्तावना में नहीं थे, पहले प्रियम्बल में नहीं थे। उन दो शब्दों को जोड़ा है। प्रियम्बल शाश्वत रूप से है। क्या सोशलिज्म के विचार आइडियोलॉजी के नाते क्या शाश्वत है भारत के लिए?